Hello everyone! Welcome to another StackSpot AI tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create a knowledge source. Knowledge sources are a way to feed the context with the information you input, allowing the platform to search for similarities in the database to provide more accurate code and responses. Let's get started. First, access the StackSpot AI Portal and log in with your credentials. After logging in, on the main menu on the left, click on Knowledge Sources. Here you can see all the knowledge sources created and shared with you. Now, let's click on Create at the top right and then on Knowledge Source. Choose the type of knowledge source you want to create. You can choose between API Custom, which is adding content like texts, and Snippets Group, which are code snippets. Today we're going to demonstrate the API type. Now fill in the name and description fields. Click the Create button. Then, click the Add File button to upload the knowledge objects that are part of the knowledge source. It's time to add the JSON file and click Save. The file is processed into smaller parts in the knowledge source, which helps with the similarity search. Once completed, all parts of the file will be in the knowledge source. You can view each part of your knowledge source by clicking the View Knowledge Source button. There you go. Now you know how to create a knowledge source on StackSpot. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.